How to open a lockbox key compartment with Touch and Show. The SentriGuard lockbox can be accessed in several ways, including Bluetooth, keypad, and now NFC. NFC stands for Near Field Communication. This is a feature in many smartphones that allows phones and other devices to communicate with each other, similar to Apple Pay or Google Pay. This feature is utilized in our latest access method known as Touch and Show. Please note, Touch and Show is an alternative method to Bluetooth. You may use either access method to open the SentriGuard lockbox. To open the SentriGuard lockbox with Touch and Show, start by launching the SentriKey Real Estate app. From the home screen, tap the Touch and Show button. The first time you use this feature, you will get a message notifying you that Touch and Show is only available on this model of lockbox. Touch Continue. Tap the phone to the lockbox. For best results, press the device up to the NFC sensor located just below the keypad. Each device has its own unique placement for NFC. Adjust your device accordingly to meet the sensor's position. You will see a flashing green light and the key compartment will open. If the key compartment does not fall open, gently tug on the tab located in the bottom of the lockbox. You have successfully accessed the lockbox using Touch and Show.